Hello everyone. Today I wanna show you what is ad strength of Google Ads and how it is work your Google Ads campaign. This is a Google Ads ad group dashboard. Actually, ad strength is a score like for average, good, and excellent that show how well our ad campaign is set up, good or bad. For the best result, we need good or excellent state like this. And how do we achieve this? We focus on attractive ad copy like this. This is, yes, this is a headline and description. So we also call ad copy. And we need to write 15 unique headline based on keyword. And if I scroll down, uh, we need to write four descriptions, four unique descriptions, and we need to add some extension like image extensions, call out extensions like this. When we do this, our ad strength gets excellent like this, which means our ads will perform better, reach the right audience, and get more calls and leads. That is our main goal, which we want to achieve. Thanks for watching.